Oh, it's not one. Plow needs to come through here again. Then we're gonna have to shovel again. I'll show you why I put that up a little later. It's snowing into like, God. We're still gonna get another 1 to 2 inches. They didn't even care. Oh, it's a hurricane. Yo, low visibility. Dang, I can't even see. Just getting pelted by icy pellets. I guess now. My favorite place to film the winter is down here. Okay, yeah, the plow definitely needs to come through here. And tell all people who don't shovel the driveways how high it is, because like, what is this? How can you go this way and then the other way? There's a car going by, so I'm just go. I'm not going anywhere. Look at these things. I'm not going anywhere.
Oh, okay.
He just doesn't understand. Oh, there. Oh, don't touch snow, people. Look at this. I mean, first of all, why would you come up here and plow it? It comes right into the alley. Look, this is supposed to be the alley. But this is not the alley, so it's fine here. But this one, half of it's in the alley, so I don't know what the plows are thinking by doing this. It's just gonna affect crap. Whoa, there you go.